Okay, YouTube community, check this out. What you're looking at is a one-of-a-kind Predator valve spring compressor tool without having to remove the head. I was watching these videos saying, oh, you gotta remove the head, you gotta rent this automobile ring compressor, valve spring compressor tool. I was like, there's gotta be easier way. So I had this metal. This is actually from a bed frame. This stuff is hard. I couldn't even drill through it. So I know it's got some kick-ass rigidity to it. So what I did, I just cut two pieces. This is like an 1/8 inch thick. It's rigid as hell. I had to make a clearance from the bottom and the top. I kind of beveled it so I'm able to drop those snap clips in without a problem. I also ran a little bead here to put a little lip so the top of the valve spring doesn't slip out. I angled this a little bit to accommodate the turning of the spring. All right. So you want to see this in action. I've already put it on and taken it off once, so I know it works really well. All right, so basically, I'm gonna put this in on smallest, lowest to the bottom, and then it's gonna clamp it here, line it up here. It's already crimping, set, boom. All right, let's go ahead and put it in here. Get these snap rings in place. All right. I think I gotta compress them a little bit more. Or these. All right, gotta compress it a little bit more. Man, the first time it went on like magic. All right, let me. Press it a little bit more. All right, that should do it. And a little screwdriver. Something to push these down in there. Come on. All right, take two. There we go. Pushed it up a little bit more to give myself a little bit more room. Crank it down a little bit. There we go. Now, these clips. Oh, it's way down there now. Got plenty of room. Okay, clips are in. I'm going to lift it just to Boom. You see it seating perfectly. Boom. Done. Pull it out. Simple as that. God, what a lifesaver. Man, time saver. Just welded this on. I ought to patent this. Okay, I'm doing the other one now. So just to confirm that these are 50-pound springs. I don't know, they got the blue stripe on them. All right, so here goes. Let's try the other side. All right, where's my clips? All right, here they are. Get them within reach. All right, here we go. Okay, now squeeze them down. Got it clamped in there. Oh shit, this is going in. It's going easy. One. Here's the other one. Real time. Let it off. Oh, shit. Popped out. Alright. They're in there now. It's kind of awkward. I'm working from a different direction. Release the vice grips. Boom. Done. Done. Haha, so simple. Awesome.